Before use. Warning: before donning the respirator, always perform the following checks. Ensure that the respirator is clean and dry. Check the respirator, valves, harness and visor for cracks, missing parts and other defects. Check the appropriate filters are within their expiry date, undamaged and installed correctly, with the filter and mask arrows aligned. When fitting the filters, they will require a firm, steady pressure clockwise when viewed from the front. The two filter elements must be of the same type and class. Fitting your full face mask filters. Firstly, ensure you have the correct filters for your intended use. Remove the packaging and read the instruction manual provided. Place the filter on your full face mask and rotate clockwise. You will feel it click into place. Your filters will lock and seal securely from any orientation. Ensure that the filters are mounted parallel to the sealing surface. Align filter and mask arrows as shown. Removing your filters. Remove the filters by rotating anti-clockwise. Donning your full face mask. Before you use the mask for the first time, loosen all of the straps prior to donning. If you have facial hair, ensure that your face is clean shaven prior to donning. Place the mask on your face and pull the harness over your head. Ensure head harness is sitting correctly and not twisted. Starting with the bottom straps and working upwards, tighten the straps slightly, but not fully. Ensure that no hair is trapped underneath the seal and adjust the mask positioning if necessary. Now, tighten the straps fully. For a balanced fit, firstly, tighten the bottom two straps in unison, then the middle two straps in unison, and then the top strap. Adjust the mask as appropriate, ensuring that the head harness is placed centrally at the back of your head, and make sure that your straps are not twisted. Perform a fit check as described in the next section of the video. Fit checking your full face mask. Don your mask. Place the palms of your hands over the filters and inhale to check the seal against your face for 10 seconds. The respirator should pull inwards to your face. Hold your breath. The respirator should remain collapsed on the face. If any air leakage occurs between the face and the face seal, adjust the mask for a more secure seal and repeat the test. Doffing your mask. Undo the bottom straps and pull the mask over your head. Decontaminate, clean, and store the mask as required. Cleaning and disinfecting your mask. Warning: do not use cleaning products containing hydrocarbons or solvents, such as acetone or detergents with abrasive particles for cleaning. Remove the filter assembly and store or dispose of as required. Remove the oronasal assembly by rotating it a quarter of a turn to the left and withdrawing it. Clean the mask parts using lukewarm soapy water or a mild generic cleaning agent. Thoroughly rinse the respirator in clean running water. Disinfect the mask after cleaning using generic approved disinfecting agents or wipes, or in a solution of 1 teaspoon, that's 5 milliliters, of household bleach, 5.25% sodium hydrochlorite, mixed in 1 gallon of water, 50 parts per million chlorine. Immerse the respirator in the solution for at least 2 minutes. Rinse thoroughly in clean running water. Allow the mask components to dry naturally. Do not apply direct heat. Reassemble the mask in reverse order.